Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. My name is Mamadou Bhoye Diallo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Abu Dhabi State. The community name is Medina Zaid. Just come here to work right now. Typing. As you can see, is the other side is another pump there, but it's the same company. It's the same company is working here. I'm inside the site right now. This is, as you can see here, this is typing work. So as you can see here, this is the boom. This is the concrete pump. This is the drop mixer is outside, which is supplying the concrete. As you can see, this typing here is very large. It's about 88 meters. See, after removing all this plywood here, as you can see, all the stick, all the plywood, all this sand you see in front of the people there, they can put all the sand inside to make inside food to make level before they put another PCC concrete again to make level, as you can see here right now. So this is very large site here, as you can see.